Senior Leadership and Management Masterclasses to influence your output, growth, change and culture.
How do you chart the process? Well, it's what you are doing to achieve those end results. Do you remember what we talked about yesterday with the hammer and the nail? Mm-hmm. Yeah? Are you using the right hammer for the job and the right set of nails? Or as the foreman does with a new recruit, I want him to go out and get some zigzag paint and a glass hammer. Everyone's really tired, I see it in your eyes. Okay, so what are some of the processes, let's say, of the building company, and then shift it back to your contexts, the building company within the projects? This is the doing now, these are the verbs that you're thinking about. What are they doing? Come on.
Purchasing, so they've got a
okay, yeah, so there's a process of purchasing going on. Okay, so procurement. Let's say that you're just dealing with the one single project of laying the foundations. So is it a case of, right, okay, you team, you need to lay the foundations, you need to start here and finish here. That's the project management conversation. But then there's a bottleneck. Oh, we will stop now. And now everyone's folding their arms and waiting for something to dry, or something's gone wrong because the process has not been efficient. What's happened? Something was done when it shouldn't have been done, or something was done too early or too late, or several processes working side by side, have not needed to have worked side by side, or one was neglected. Okay, so what's going on if you get a bottleneck when laying foundations of a building? Just guess. What's happened here? You've got a bottleneck, the whole team is sitting around now having a long coffee break. Have you ever seen teams do this? I used to be part of these teams, come on. Yeah, well, we can't do that because this has gone down. Or we're now waiting for the phone call, or whatever it is. There's a bottleneck. And now you've got a team of 20 people all folding their arms, costing you how much per 15 minutes?
Too much.
Too much. It could have been avoided back upstream.
Enroll on this masterclass now to influence your output, growth, change and culture. Enroll now at nicholashill.com or call 0345 678 9900.